Hey folks, Dave Parrish here, coming to you with another video. Today's topic. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you could, or like the video, subscribe to it. This video I'm calling 20-minute CRM. This is actually something I did for myself on Friday. I have a marketing effort I'm doing for my practice here, and I have to contact a whole bunch of folks. So I said, why not just make an app for myself? I sat down, started building it, and then I was done with it, and I looked at the clock. The thing only took me 20 minutes. I mean, this stuff's for real. It's not super complex. I do a lot of CRM, and they can get complex, and they take a fair amount of effort, but this thing's going to work just fine for me. And I'm going to show you what it is and what it does. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the lowdown on that app I just built for myself. I'm going to call it up, take you through and show you how it's built. Now here's the deal. Again, I did the one app, and then I ended up doing 4 of them for 4 different organizations. All these organizations get money from the government, a lot of it. Here's some of their budgets. And the government dictates how certain processes and accounting works, and it's very similar, not exactly the same, but very similar to each one of these organizations. And my clients, I'm sort of buddies with now, sent me a list of them. He goes, hey, you can work on all these folks. Now, I've done 4 of them so far. There's 68 of them. So I'm going to start going after these. They're nice projects. So this is a typical CRM thing. I have a list, the main thing, of all these folks. I can click on them. I can add contacts. This is what I'll be doing. Going to their website, looking for the appropriate person. You usually can tell by their title. Going to LinkedIn, doing Google search. I might even try some AI stuff. So I'll get contacts for these folks, and then a typical CRM, I'm calling add note. This could be add interaction. People call it different things. But every time I'm calling these people, email them, figuring out what to do, I'm tracking it here, and then I can do all kinds of stuff. I can see who contacted. For each one of those notes, I'm going to indicate if there's a follow-up needed and when. So I got a follow-up table here I could go to, so I can go look at every day and see if something's coming up. They all have a status. I call it open, meaning they're out there ready for me. In play, I'm in action actually with them. I've actually sold them, or I'm calling it dead for whatever reason. They don't want to buy it. It's not a good fit. They already have something else. Who knows? So this is just what I'll work this whole 68 lists here and see what I can get out of it, and this will work very well. Here's how it's built. It's pretty simple. I only have 3 tables. That's the target, the contacts of the target, one to many, connection. So, that's for notes here. Contact, since it's a child record, we're going to have the parent record reside with it. And then the same structure for note, except notes are connected to both contacts and the target. And each of these only have a handful of fields. They don't need more. Contact. So I started working on this. I looked up at the clock, and there I was. I even did a few, if something was sold, status is sold. I put a few clever little check marks and coloring of the buttons, but that's just aesthetic. 20 minutes. This stuff's for real. Now, I can build CRMs fast because I've done them a lot, but if you had just a little bit of knowledge in that, you could crank this out. So what you can do in 20 minutes, think what you can do in 3 days, right? If you really needed something done. So appreciate it. Thanks.